I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Roku USB Media Player. First, connect your USB drive directly into the USB port on your Roku device. Make sure your media files are in supported formats like MP4 for video or JPG for photos. Then, navigate to the Roku channel store and add the Roku Media Player channel to your home screen. This essential step prepares your Roku for local media playback. Once the channel is installed, open the Roku Media Player from your home screen. You will see several options. Choose USB drive to access your connected storage. From there, you can easily browse through your organized folders. This allows you to quickly locate and select the specific videos, music tracks, or photo albums you wish to enjoy. After selecting your desired file, playback will begin instantly on your television screen. Your Roku remote provides full control, allowing you to play, pause, fast forward, and rewind with ease. Whether it's a home video, a favorite song, or a photo slideshow, you can enjoy your personal media collection in crisp, clear quality, often in high definition. For the best experience, ensure your USB drive is formatted as FAT32, NTFS, or HFS+. Also, organizing your media into clear, descriptive folders will make finding content much simpler. Finally, always keep your Roku device software updated to the latest version. This ensures you have the newest features and the most stable performance for your media playback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.